5 seconds. Start. My dear fellow citizens, India's Independence Day is a special occasion for every citizen. It reminds us of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and the long struggle through which our country achieved independence. On this day, people across the nation come together to celebrate the spirit of freedom and express their love for the country. The national flag represents our unity, our hopes, and our commitment to the nation. On the 15th of August, Indians participate in flag hosting ceremonies, sing patriotic songs, and remember the great personalities who contributed to the freedom struggle. Independence Day is not only a celebration of the past but also an opportunity to think about the future of our country. India has made remarkable progress since independence. The country has developed in many fields, including science, technology, education, agriculture, industry, and infrastructure. Our achievements have been made possible by the hard work and determination of millions of citizens. Farmers, workers, scientists, teachers, soldiers, entrepreneurs, and many other people contribute every day to the development of the nation. Our democracy is one of the greatest strengths of India. The Constitution provides a framework that protects the rights and dignity of citizens. It also reminds us of our responsibilities towards society and the country. We must respect democratic values and work together to strengthen the institutions that serve the people. Development should benefit every section of society. The progress of the country must reach those who have been left behind. We should ensure that people from disadvantaged communities receive opportunities to improve their lives. Education, employment, equality, and access to basic facilities are important for creating a just and prosperous society. Young people have a particularly important role in building the India of tomorrow. Their energy, creativity, knowledge, and determination can help the country achieve new goals. I encourage young citizens to develop their skills, remain curious, and use technology in a responsible and constructive manner. We must also remember our responsibility towards nature. Economic development and environmental protection should move together. Protecting forests, rivers, wildlife, and natural resources is essential for future generations. Every citizen can contribute by adopting environmentally responsible habits. India's journey has been remarkable, but there is still much to accomplish. We must continue working with confidence, discipline, compassion, and a spirit of cooperation. When citizens and institutions work together, the nation becomes stronger. On this Independence Day, let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and renew our commitment to the values of our Constitution. Let us work together to build a peaceful, prosperous, inclusive, and developed India. Jai Hind. Stop.